Welcome back to Cooking with Texas Chevy. Today we'll be making homemade pancakes from scratch. We'll start with the 3/4 of a cup of bread flour, 3/4 of a cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, also 3½ teaspoons of baking powder. We'll be sifting all these dry ingredients together in a large bowl. Once we have everything sifted together, we'll be adding 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1½ cups of milk. Now we're going to whisk everything together. You don't have to whisk it together perfectly. If there's a couple clumps here and there, that's the way you want it. Now it's time to cook it. I'll be using a cast iron griddle and a small ladle. If you want to make bigger pancakes, I suggest using a pan. You'll know your pancakes are ready to be flipped when you start seeing the bubbles come through the opposite side. Thank you again for watching my video. Please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And next week I'll be making Mongolian beef.